In this video, I will show you how to update name server on GoDaddy. So click on Google and type GoDaddy here. So for login GoDaddy, you have to type GoDaddy. Click on sign in. So after sign in, it will ask you your login ID and your password. So type your login ID and password. Click on sign in. So after that, you will go to the home page of GoDaddy. So in the home page of GoDaddy, so where your name display, click on it and click on products. Then choose domain which you want to update name server. Click on DNS section. So you will see DNS management. So click on name server. So after click on name server, please click on change name server. Now it will take some time to process. Just wait. So after that you have to be click I will use my own name server. So type your name server 1 and name server 2, then save button will be appear darkly. So then click on save button. So after that it will ask to continue. So you have to click on continue button. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.